I want to talk about, okay, wait, no, that's not what I'm going to say. Taking care of your family, no. Talking about, no. Is honey, is that enough? Is that dumb? I don't even know what I'm doing. That's good. Also kids.com, okay, kids.com, dadgummit.com has a calendar of ongoing and meetups. Oh, I hate that little pause. Moms groups, support groups, moms groups, support groups. Yeah, moms groups, support groups, moms groups, support groups. That's good enough for that. I don't need to say any more about that. Yes. And come along with me, and I might, no. Here's to you. No, that's so dumb. Is that it? Thanks for the help, honey. I don't know, whatever. Is that good? Do you want me to do it over?